to maintenance on this mask, you're going to take your cushion off every day. Your cushion comes apart from the hard frame, and this is one of the harder ones to kind of show. They're super, super tight when they're new. Not even kidding. Oh, you guys, see? So if you're scared to break it, try not to be. So this circle, it mates up with that circle, and it's just a little bitty tab on either side here that grabs onto this inner circle here, and that holds the two pieces together. But it's not always that easy to get it on there. I recommend lining up this bit of a V shape that's on the top of the mask and the top of the cushion. Get your two circles nested together so you can kind of see it better from this angle, nesting those circles together. So in this way, I've got that V facing me, so I can make sure that it's not like cattywampus. So I line my circles up, keeping an eye on my V from above, and put my weight on the sides and press those sides together. And I wish it would snap, but you know, it just almost never does. So I give it a shake, and it doesn't fall off, so it's working. So cushion trouble with your F30i, that's how you get your cushion off. You want to take your cushion off every day and wash it with warm soapy water. Every month you throw this away and put your brand new cushion on, and that keeps the rest of your mask behaving itself all the time. God, I wish they would snap, don't you? Man. All right, but he's on there.